The last time I drove was when I was 59 years old. I was told I had POTS and syncope. My name is Gayle Wanamaker. I am an older senior citizen. Once I got on the bus in the city that I was living in, I had vitality. I am here today because of COTA. Every time I need to go to a doctor, the library, COTA links me to dignified travel. It affords me the opportunity to have a safe experience geared for my handicap needs. I love my COTA drivers. They're very safe, they're very conscientious, they're very polite. The bus is clean. As an independent senior, I am able to go to a destination and come home. Health equity is dignity. You have that with COTA.